The first step is to click on the Aspen Learning Library app. Once the app is open, you'll see that you cannot see any books, and this is because you are not logged in yet. To log in, click on the person in the upper right, and you'll get your options on authentication methods. Choose the authentication method your school uses, and if you're not sure, check with your librarian. For this example, I am going to do a personalized login. So I'm going to click if none of these apply, and I'm going to type in my name here. Automatically, the remote login button will be checked. If you do not have remote login, check with your librarian. Once you are logged in, you'll see all the books that your institution is subscribed to. You can scroll through these books here by just using your finger. You can change the format and the way that you look for them by clicking this button up here in the top right. And if you want to see more information on a book when you're in this view, you just simply click on the down arrow and it'll give you more information on the title and a quick summary. You can also see in this view if it's an ebook or an audiobook or a video. If you know the book that you're looking for, you can type the name in the search bar, either the name of the book, author, or use a descriptive word to find the category. So I'm going to look for admin law. And you can see the variety of books that have admin law either in the title or in the description are showing up. I can see videos, audiobooks. If I want to drill down further, I can click select category, and I only want to look at ebooks right now. So I click ebook and apply. Now I see only ebooks. Once I've chosen the ebook that I want to read, I just simply click on the icon of the book with the download button. It downloads in seconds. You'll see the basic navigation. You can scroll up or down to navigate, or right or left, which you can change in the settings. You can go back to the shelf, so that is to see all the books. You can click on the table of contents, and that will let you see the contents of just the book you're in. You can click on your notebook, so that will bring you to your notes, highlights, and bookmarks. And you can use text to speech. You can also add a bookmark, and you can search for keywords inside the book. Here's the settings icon, which you can adjust your font, themes, colors, margins, etc. Once you're in your book, you can scroll using your finger to the additional pages, or you can click the icon in the top left to bring you to the table of contents. You can scroll through the table of contents and choose a chapter, and it'll take you directly there. The next step is to choose a passage to highlight. So you just press and hold down with your finger, and then once it is copied in blue, you're going to choose highlight, look up, or add to your notes. So once you've made your markups in the book, to find them, simply click on the notebook icon, which will bring up all the notes and highlights you've made, as well as bookmarks. All you have to do to get to that exact place in the chapter to find more information is click on the highlight section, and it will take you to that area that you highlighted within the book. Within the notebook section, you can also choose to see certain colors of highlights if you have one set of highlights for one class or for example. If you want to see just your yellow highlights, click on the yellow on the bottom. If you want to see just your red, click your red. If you want to see all highlights, click the rainbow. We are back in the bookshelf view so that we can find a video. So we're going to watch the administrative law video by clicking on the video. To be able to view this, you must be connected to the internet. Simply click play.
Their salaries cannot be diminished.
You can scroll through the chapters as well. To listen to an audiobook, simply select the category of audio or search by name, and then you can click to download. Once it is downloaded, you can then open it. You can listen by pressing play, you can skip forward, you can also bookmark by just clicking on the ribbon. We hope this quick tutorial has been helpful to learn the many things you can do with the Aspen Learning Library, which will help you get the most out of your studying time.